Hello, my name is Andre, and in this video I'm going to show you how I got over 200,000 views in the last 4 days. Actually, it was a bit under 200k views, and I got an extra maybe 300 followers, something like that. I will show you how I did it and what I'm going to do next. Yeah, basically I'm using or used Claude, but not like blindly use it. Obviously this is a trick which might not work depending on your number of followers, your niche or whatever, your positioning. Basically I'm actually using Claude itself, but I'm not just copy pasting. Yeah. So let me show you first what I did. So basically, if you have like a paid plan with Claude, you will go to settings, you will go to connectors here, and you will see that I have an application. It's called ShedPilot. Let me show you the application. This is my website. It's a social media management tool which I use. You have to have a paid account with this one, but it works great. It has an MCP. So basically, if you would go to documentation, you will see that it has an API which can be used in workflows like N8N or stuff like that. If you're familiar with that, maybe with some I don't know, custom workflows with some APIs or AI agents. I mean, you have to have a bit of imagination to work with this, but yeah, it has MCP, and basically you click here on, in your Claude account, you click here on add new custom connector. Here you will type your name, pilot, and here you will type in the MCP, which you get whenever you're creating an account with ShedPilot or any similar application. You will have the API access, obviously, if it has an API, and you will be given an MCP URL. Basically, it will connect to your account. You will authorize and approve, and from here you would have this connector. So Claude will know that you use this connector, it's connected to your account, and basically Claude will have access to all your accounts. So basically all these accounts that I have over 40 or 50 accounts, social media accounts, Instagram, I don't know, Twitter, Facebook, all that, LinkedIn, all the pages, all the accounts. So Claude will have access to these. I have a few other examples here. So basically you can ask Claude to pull your LinkedIn account. It will give all your LinkedIn accounts. You can ask to get posts that did really well on LinkedIn. You can ask to actually what I did, I gathered all my successful posts. So I went to my profile. Obviously you have to have some idea of what you're posting, so you cannot post just crap. So you have to have a niche and be an expert in your niche, but this helps you a lot to draft out posts and to scale, right? Because I post like 5 times a day. I'm not sure if that's good or bad. Some people say that it's very good, like Gary Vee. Some people say that you need to post only 3 times a week, which I think is stupid, but whatever. For example, it's posted yesterday, and made 16,000 impressions, and this was made with Claude. Obviously it's been touched as well, so it's not straight from Claude, but you can also do that. I mean, I see like a lot of posts on LinkedIn especially that have that are purely AI, and they are crap. You have to have like a sophisticated prompt to do this, and I have something like that. So basically I have a skill file that I lay down a bunch of rules, and also a file where I keep all my successful posts, so Claude can take them and use my own language and apply the rules. For example, I don't want any emojis, I don't want any type of like capital letters, or I don't know, fancy language that AI does, sometimes M dashes, so I don't want any of that. So yeah, I basically put all my stuff. For example, this was done very without any skill added. So you see that the first thing was quite bad, but this one is really good, and it will go out tomorrow. So I put Claude to write this tomorrow at 8 a.m. to LinkedIn, and this is my account. Claude says okay, let's see if it did that. So tomorrow we select LinkedIn. We have so today is Wednesday, tomorrow at 8 a.m. this is the one. So yeah, it did it. I didn't even touch it in any shape or form or way, but I think that this is good from the first try. Obviously these were my ideas that I gave Claude to write about, so it's not like I'm posting crap. So this is my niche. I'm a software developer, I'm an SEO agency owner, so this is my niche. I mean, I know this is right, this is good. If I'm posting about, I don't know, doctors or whatever, or firefighters or something like that, then I might post crap because I don't know how those things work. I've never been a doctor, so I cannot post about stuff I don't know, but this works well within my niche. I know this is great. So yeah, I got pretty good views from what I posted. So for example, this got 16k views. This didn't perform quite well. This is also a scheduled post. You will see that I have a video going out every single day. So I shoot these on a single day and just schedule them all together in one single day, for one video a day for the rest of the month. So in September I need to start shooting again, one video a day. So yeah, I was showing you the posts. They are pretty good. For example, this got 14,000 views. Obviously the idea is to have like a very punchy first question, let the user let the user click on to expand, and then it creates engagement for people to interact with your post, and then you can write anything that you like, maybe advertise your product or whatever. Yeah, you will see that not all the posts do great. Again, that depends on the time of the day, on the the niche that you're in, the number of followers that you have. Maybe that counts less and less. But yeah, you will see this got 3.5k. Not all these were made with AI, obviously. And whenever I made a post with AI, I gave clear instructions, great ideas, because otherwise it will be crap. So this was done with AI, but this was done very, like I had to have like 3-4 prompts, again with my rules, my rules of writing posts, writing my voice. But this got like 43k views, and it was only posted 3 days ago. What else? I think I have a few more. This got 16k again. So it has a very punchy first line, you will see. So that's the idea in LinkedIn. Obviously you have to have the audience, you have to have the number of followers. So LinkedIn knows you're important to push this post to people, and if they interact with the post, then the algorithm does its job. Look here, almost 8k views. So yeah, that's the main idea of how I connected ShedPilot to don't forget shedpilot.com. So it's shed from schedule and pilot, so don't forget to write this down. You connect with Claude, and from there you can write straight from Claude, bring on like lots of resources and the skills and whatever, and connect to other stuff, like for example, if you're doing SEO, then connect to Ahrefs and have some nice keywords. I don't know, you can do like a lot of things. Probably this will have diminishing returns in a few years when everybody will be creating posts with AI, and you will need to do like in-person videos or live streams like we're doing now. But yeah, this is what I did, and you can see my post impressions graph. So it's pretty good. Also, yeah, it's not 90 days, but maybe 28 days. So I've been doing this for maybe 2 months now, and things are starting to accelerate. Yeah, you will see that 44k, 43k, 18k. So it's quite lucrative. Yeah, probably that's it for now. Hopefully this was revealing for you. Again, you need to be a very good expert in your niche. Even using AI, you will if you're not expert in your niche, you will not succeed. You need to know what to write about, what ideas to give to Claude, and to verify Claude if it did a good job, then correct wherever it produces errors. So yeah, thanks for watching. By the way, I also have an SEO agency. This is my SEO agency, my development and design agency, but I think the most interesting service is the SEO. So if you ever need, it's sitemile.com. Go and check it out. If you need SEO, you know where to find me. And this is ShedPilot. So this is the application to connect to Claude. You will go to pricing. Any of these packages work with Claude, have an MCP. Obviously, if you have like 100 accounts, you will go with this package. So yeah, thanks for watching, and have a great week out there, and see you probably tomorrow.